Hello. My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. Today I'm going to talk about, how to get funding from banks for the renovation. Um, Most of us, we have a home we live in. Some of us, we want to buy another home, but there's some reason we can't buy it, and renovating your home is alternative to buying another one. That way you also build up equity, your wealth. And positive thing about it is, if you buy someone else's home, um, it's there's a limit the way you can renovate, right? But if you renovate your own home, you can renovate the way you want. So there's like two way of renovation. One is minor renovation. It's also called cosmetic renovation. It's things like you change the flooring, or painting, or clean up gardening, landscaping, or you fix the kitchen or bathroom. They minor renovation. So any renovation you do, whether minor or major, what I suggest you do is find out how much it's gonna cost, and make sure you have the money, whether your own money or from the bank, before you start renovating. Okay, because if you run out of fund during the halfway, then it's hard to get funding. So it's easier to get funding from the beginning. So if you have everything ready, everything happened the way you expected. So minor one, as I told you before, those things are minor. So if you can use your own money to do that, or now, these days the funding rate, the low interest rates are very low, like 2%. So why don't we get it from the bank? And return of investment on renovation is greater than 2% a year. So it's best to get the money from the bank. Okay, so other thing consider, the bank can lend you, if it's a minor renovation, the bank will lend you up to 90% of your property value. Of course, if you go higher than 80%, you pay lender mortgage insurance, but they lend you up to 90% of your property value. Okay, and so it's usually less than 100,000, and easier to lend. Some bank, they just give you cash and you use it the way you want. Some bank, they just want a quote from the tradies. Okay, so easier way of funding. Okay, but then if you do major renovation, like you knock down the wall to build like more rooms in your house, or you knock down the whole house and build, or you build granny flat, they kind of major renovation. That one, the banks lend up to 90% of the property value. Of course, you pay lender mortgage insurance. Of course, you need borrowing power. Of course, it also depends on your age, because it's 30 years loan. But this one, bank need more because it's major. It's like a construction loan. They pay step by step. They call installment, and the bank's gonna need building contract, specification, plans, and everything written by professionals. But bank do valuation as if completed. Like say if you build a granny flat, bank will value. Granny flat is not there, but bank will value the home as if completed, and then based on that value, okay, so you can borrow more. Okay, and you can go to your bank. Why should you come to us? Because our service is free, but also, when you do major renovation, it also depends on how much bank value as if complete valuation, and different banks different valuation. Higher the value of as if completed thing, the more money you can get from the bank. So there you come to us, we know which bank do the highest valuation, or we take you to different we try different valuation from different bank and see which one is the highest, so you get the most money. So yeah, so in that case, please come to us, our service is free. Yeah. So yeah, so I not only do the loan, I also tell you, if I know any builder or any civil engineer certifier, then I give you, and you choose whether you want to take on. And I tell you, positive and negative of renovation, renovation versus buying another home. I just don't give you money. I also tell you everything I know, so you make the most well, from your budget. Okay, so please come to me anytime. My contact details are on the post. You're welcome to call me anytime. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.